It's a scene you can find just about anywhere. Facebook, for many, is a part of their everyday experience.
I do use Facebook.
Mostly to keep in contact with friends.
I wish I didn't have to use it so much because you do get kind of addicted to it, but it's the only way my generation kind of communicates now.
Founded in 2004, Facebook has exploded. In July of 2009, Facebook hit a milestone by linking 250 million people worldwide. Along with the social network's unprecedented usage came a Pandora's box. Washington, D.C. lawyer Eric Menhart tells us what issues Facebook spawned.
If you put it on Facebook, you should expect that it is 100% unequivocally public. There are a variety of things that Facebook will do to effectively protect your privacy. There are certain settings you can put into effect on the site. But at the end of the day, if you put that information online, there's very little that you can do to get it off. It's just like the toothpaste coming out of the tube.
One thing that isn't likely to change in the near future is the ongoing privacy issues. Many employers now check Facebook for information on potential hires. Many young people have put their whole lives on Facebook, which could be damaging when job hunting.
As long as you're careful about what you put on there, I don't see a problem with, employers looking at that because they're just trying to get a better idea of who you are.
I don't think it's quite right that employers should look at your Facebook. It is a personal site, it is a personal page.
And if an employer finds out that, for example, you were drinking as a 16-year-old and you have a picture of that from 15 years ago in high school, there's nothing you're going to do about that. So you have to be very careful.
What recourse will people have legally if they feel their privacy has been breached on any of the internet platforms?
The legal routes you can take are very limited. And again, that's when we're talking about in a Facebook, Google, Twitter context. Now, if we were talking about for example, medical privacy, some other some financial records, things like that, those are the types of things where you have a few more options available to you. But as far as pictures, as far as things you say online in a public sphere, there's going to be virtually nothing to protect you. The bottom line is, don't put it on Facebook or Twitter or anywhere else for that matter if you don't want it to be accessible to everyone in the world. And if you're not comfortable with that standard, you need to be very careful about what you share.
One thing is for sure, Facebook and social media sites are here to stay. Read the terms of service before agreeing to them, and don't post anything you can get sued or worse for. For Lawyers.com, I'm Kate Stafford reporting.